Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about something personal to me. So part of my business venture, part of JTS Auto, we have become, it's on my top, a franchise for PowerFlow. So PowerFlow exhaust, if you haven't heard of them, they're quite a big exhaust company, and we are bought into a franchise. So we are now a PowerFlow franchise. It's been a few months in the making, so I've always done, the odd fabrication work. So someone might come in with a centre pipe, which I will then delete, or a rear delete. Might do a few sports cats and stuff like that with remapping. It wasn't long ago. Someone come out to me. He reached out, PowerFlow rep, and got me on board. So yes, here's two little tips in front of me. But what I really am excited to show you lot is our new stock order and our new machines, new toys. So let's head on out. Here we go. So we are based in Royal Wootton Bassett, Swindon, and we are the new dealer. There you go, PowerFlow exhaust, design, build, and drive. Hey, I'm trying to make a video. Be quiet. So here's all our stock. So all the straight pipes comes in 3 metre lengths. So we've got all different thicknesses, 1.5 mil, 2 mil, and then they come in different sizes. So obviously 3 inch, 2.5 inch, 2 inch, so on and so forth. That all gets bended in our pipe machine bender, which I'll come to in a minute. Hey, shh, come here. You're ruining the video. Come here. Let me hold you, because you're going to ruin the video. Here's our other stock. So we've got lots of different sections of resonators and exhaust bends, so mandrel bends that are already bent. We've got exhaust tips, most exciting part. So BMW M Sport ones. We've got even resonated tips. So I'm very happy with the stock order. We've got our own merch. We've got down here all different clamps, sleeves. Got our own flexies, Y pieces, 45-degree bends, 90-degree bends, but a lot of choice on resonators. So yeah, that's the majority of our stock. Over to exhaust stands. So it's going to be a bit difficult to show you because I've got this little man on me now. But yeah, they just help with obviously the assist of when moving systems up and down. It makes life a lot easier. This is our temporary machine because our I think it's SS300 Huff machine. Basically it was a 3-phase, and I've not got a 3-phase. So that was sent back, and we've got a re-delivery in a couple of months time. So we're borrowing this one at the minute. But yes, it's looking lovely. We're all set up, ready to go. Our TIG welder. So we're opening Monday. So we're on Saturday evening now. So we've nearly got everything ready, just finishing touches. So here's an example of what we'd use on a back box. So as you can see here, there's a vacuum operated valve. So a bit like the Valvetronics, but obviously yeah, vacuum operated. We do actually have kits for this in stock, ready, pre-made. So if anyone does want a valved exhaust system, there's a better example here. So you've got a valve this side and a valve that side. And we've got pre-made kit. So here's the vacuum hose. And then within inside this box, you then have a pump, which is wired into, I think, ignition live. And you've got a remote here. So the pump can open and close via that pump. Yeah, so great. Everything is ready to go. I say, I'm just making this video to make you guys aware that we're here and what we do. We've got a fabricator starting on the Monday, as well as myself. So the two of us, alongside the exhaust fabrication stuff, we do remapping as well. We don't have a rolling road, but we do have services for benching and OBD remaps. So yes, everything's all set. It's good to go. It's just like I said, it's just a video just to show you guys what we've been up to and where we're taking things at JTS. So we're trying to go more down the route of modifications. Like I've always been into my modifications. But yeah, we're just taking the next level up, and we're very excited to get opened. It's been a few months in the making. It's been quite a bit of stress, but we're finally here. We've landed, got the t-shirt, ready to go. We've got our welding screen. So yeah, everything's sorted, ready to go. We've done a few exhausts just as a trial. I say, you know, it's what we do anyway. It's just getting familiar with the equipment, etc. I'm hoping to show you guys a few more videos when we get started of our catback systems, and then obviously you guys get to know us and we get to know you. So if you've got any questions, you can either leave in the comments, or we can make videos, and we can give you basically sounds of cars. So let's use a Golf R for example. We can do a catback and then we can post the video. This is what a Golf R sounds like with a catback, with a PowerFlow system or a prefabricated system, blah blah blah. You guys can then see, you know, what you're getting. Our first job in, of course, is on my work van. So I have got in this big box over here a R32 style diffuser. So that's going to be fitted along the back here, and then we're going to fabricate an R32 style exhaust. So the idea is one exhaust here, one exhaust there, and then yeah, who knows what's next. It might need to be lowered. We will see. Anyway guys, I'll stop rambling on. It's been great news, it's been a great month. We're excited to get going. Any questions, let me know, I'll keep you updated. But thank you very much, I'll see you a lot. So yeah, bye bye.